Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I'm sorry that this video has been so long for announcing the giveaway. I'm really sorry. Um, I was actually sick for a while, so it was really hard for me to do any video. My health had become my priority. So that's why I think I had done little vlogs here and there. I don't know if I'm going to upload that before this, but I really didn't have like time to to choose a winner, do all that. So that's why it took time. I'm really sorry, but at last we're there. So I am going to be doing like a quick TJ Maxx haul. And also let me know guys if you like this background. I mean, I guess I've just put a curtain there to cover up, so that I don't know, I'm planning to use this for the makeup, this thing. And this in the back where I got it, I will actually share that in another video. So like what that is, the screen, I'll share that in another video. So like I said, I was like sick for a while, so I couldn't do it. So now I am feeling good, and this after a long time. I don't know, maybe after 2 months I'm actually putting makeup on, lipstick on, so I'm feeling very weird. Let's get on with the video. Let's share the TJ Maxx haul. After I share it, watch till the end, and in the end of the video I'm going to be announcing the winner for the giveaway that I announced before, which is this brush set and this Lancome mascara. And also I have another surprise giveaway that I'm going to be announcing, so stay tuned for that. Please watch my video till the end for that. And all these things guys, I actually recently got it when the TJ Maxx opened. I got these things, and I'm trying really not to go out much, but I had like some things to exchange, and which was sitting there for like last 2 months now, right? So that's why now when they announced that it was the TJ Maxx here opened, but they are like really being careful. You have to wear mask, and there's like minimum people that they allow in the store, so they're following all that. But it's still better that you guys, even though things open up, like don't go there, because for at least another month, maybe until like it gets really hot, and the summer, it's, I mean, it's like it is summer right now, but in Texas for us it's like it just rains one day and it's cold one day, and then the next day it's like very hot. So it keeps fluctuating, and I think because of that also many people are getting sick because of weather fluctuation too. So I feel like I'm getting sinus again and again. So anyway, so that's why still avoid going. But I needed to go to return something, but then I ended up buying some stuff, and I needed some things for the kitchen, like some baking stuff and all. So that's why I went and I got some stuff, and they are very heavy, so I'm going to show you in the later. So let's starting with the haul. I'm going to start with this one. These are like hair bands. Maybe I should wear one now because I'm feeling really hot. So these are like these hair bands, but they're so cute. They're in 3 colors, like this white pearl with this black rubber band. And are they all black? Yeah, these 4 are black, but these have like different beads or different pearl colors. This has like gray pearl, and then this has just the pearl, like white pearl. This has like the pink, the blush ones for the pink. So they're cute, and it was $7.99, and maybe I'll take off one and wear it. Like 6 of them, so 6 of them $8, so like almost like $1 for each, which is like not bad. So let's put one and see how it looks. I'm just going to tie this hair here so it doesn't bother me, and we'll put this. We should have tried the pink one. No, pink one is not going to match here. Okay, I'm just going to put that like that for now. Okay, that looks better. It's not going with my golden jewelry here, but that's better. Okay, so that was the first item, and the second one is really cute. I got this, it was on sale, like further sale for $10. This hairband, so pretty, like all stones, the stone kind of beads, so pretty, and it's so thick, and it's like, yeah, it's like cushion, like it feels like cushiony here. It's pretty, so I think it'll be nice, like if I want to put something for when I'm putting makeup on and stuff like that. I had one that I always use. That's actually my friend's daughter's that I used to use. I have it, but I think this is cute. So that's the second item. Third item, and I have some kitchen items actually. And then I got this. I actually removed them to see how they are, but these are like this multi-purpose hooks, so you can use them like to put like the scarves or stuff like that. So I thought like it would be useful, like putting anything. And this was $3.99, and it has like 6 hooks, and they are really like, they're like soft, they're like heavy, a little bit heavy, and like they're like, they feel good. I don't know how to like, it's not like soft, but they're plastic, but they're like really I don't know, they're nice. So you just hang like that on anything, and then you can put stuff here. So I kind of thought like I can use it like multi-purpose stuff. So I got that. So that's the other item. And then I got, oh yeah, this, another kitchen item. This was expensive though. Wait. Oh, I was like, oh, did I get this at Kohl's? Because I also went to Kohl's, because I had gone to returns, do some Amazon return in Kohl's, and then I ended up buying 1 or 2 things there. So maybe that I'll do in the later haul. This Kohler. Oh, the brand is Kohler. Okay. So it is like this thing to keep your sponge on while washing the dishes and all. So I got that. And this was $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. I actually changed uh, the rubber band here. I just put the pink one here. I don't know which is looking better. I thought that was like clashing a lot, but anyway, this is also clashing. It doesn't matter. So next one, guys, is I got this cacao nibs, and this I got in order to put in my smoothie and stuff. And then it had expiry date is still next year, February 2021. Okay, so that's why it was good. So that's why I got them. I think you're supposed to, it's like a superfood, and you're supposed to put, this is the cacao beans, and you're supposed to put, like, you can put them raw organic cacao nibs, chocolate chips, and you can put them in smoothies and stuff. So that's what I got. And then it was how much? $4.99. $4.99, and the expiry date is actually right here, so it still has the date, because always TJ Maxx, Marshalls and all, always make sure you're looking at the expiry date, Ross and stuff. And then I got this one. It has 2 thing. I've actually removed one. I think it's in my dishwasher right now. But this is something like if you want to make perfect circle, egg or pancakes, you know, for that it'll be useful. Or you can even use to like kind of cut circles. So this is how it comes, and then you have this thing here, and to hold, right? And you can keep it like that in the pan when you're making egg. Keep it and then pour the egg in. And I actually tried, because I have one downstairs, I tried, but the egg kind of leaked through this area here, because you know, because for this they've given this joint here, right, to like kind of hold it. To hold it, they've given this. So what happens, it kind of leaks a little bit from here. So, but it's okay. So I can't return it because I already used one, so that's fine. So that's the stainless steel round egg pancake rings, and $3.99. So yeah, I don't think you guys need this. So this was a fail item for me, but anyway, it's there. And then I got this. This also has, like, this had February. Oh, all of them have Feb. Is that Feb? No, this has 8/21/2021 expiry date. So it has a long expiry date. It's the 100% grapeseed oil. And the reason I got this was because actually I was running out of my oil and the olive oil, but then I didn't have time, or I didn't want to go to Costco at that time. So when I went there and I found this, I was like, okay, for a while I can use this. So I got that. So grapeseed oil is supposed to be good for you. So 4.99, got that. And then I got some sunscreens actually, and again I had to make sure I saw it properly. This has December 2021, so it has a lot of time. And this is the Beach Defense Water Plus Sun Protection, like just the SPF spray. So 70 SPF. I got this for the kids actually, from Neutrogena, yeah, Neutrogena's, and this was 4.99. 4.99. And then I got this one for me, and this is the CeraVe Hydrating Sunscreen. And it also has a small, I think it's a moisturizing cream, yeah. It also has a small moisturizing cream here, and then the sunscreen. So this was a little expensive. It was 11.99. The kitchen utensils. So I got this for 12.99. Just the Masterclass Premium Skillet. And I got this baking pan. This was 4.99. Some Chloe's Kitchen brand. This Lodge, I suppose it's supposed to be good. This cast iron thing from Lodge. And I don't know if it is the Lodge brand or something I have, but I have one cast iron one which is like a grill kind, like the ones that come in like square with the same kind of handle, but they're square and with the lines in them. But this is just plain. So I got this, and this was 7.99. So yeah, that's it from TJ Maxx. I got actually the winner announcement for these two guys, and I know some people might have just skipped to the end, but that's fine. Please subscribe to my channel, that's all I need. So the winner, the name of the winner is Kathy Brown, and I'm also going to, I think you will see the name underneath here. I'm going to put the name here. So Kathy Brown, if you are, I think she's a new subscriber. So if you are seeing this video, contact me at happiness-lifestyle at gmail.com. happiness-lifestyle at gmail.com. So if you send me all your information, I can ship this for you guys, let me know. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, guys. And because I took so long to actually announce this giveaway, I felt like I started to lose subscribers instead of gaining subscribers. But it was just because I was not well for a while, and also I would not go to the post office anyway to do this, so I know it didn't matter. So now yeah, I will do this. So if that subscriber like doesn't reply, I will give a week. If I don't get any response from them, then maybe I'll choose a different winner for this. Now let's go to this other giveaway that I was going to announce in this same video. That would be, now it's all about lipsticks, because that's some things I got from Sephora for you guys. And I told this in long back in another video, I think, but then I didn't want to add that giveaway with this. So this is going to be this one, guys. The Bite Beauties lipstick and lip liner in, what is this called? Gazpacho and 078. And let me show you the swatches of this, because I have mine right here, because I had got a set too long back. So that's the lipstick and the lip liner. So I can show them, I can swatch them here for you guys. And actually for you, this is my Lancome mascara actually. And this is, where is yours? Yeah, this is the one I'm going to be sending to the winner, Kathy Brown. And this is the one I have. It's the same one actually. Like I had told in the giveaway video, I had two of them. So one was mine. So this lipstick and lip liner, which I will show you guys. I'm showing mine right now actually, just so that you could see. It's like this bright, like really orangey red, really bright red. That's not what I'm wearing though. I'm wearing Bite Beauty lipstick though, but I'm wearing the Bite Beauty's Flag Red. It's like a big lipstick I have. It's called Flag Red. It's like really bright red. I think it's not looking as bright because I have a dark lip liner on, but it's really very bright. So this is how it looks. really beautiful red. So that's gazpacho. That's the one you will be receiving in this set here. And the lip liner, this is like, I'm just showing you mine. Lip liner is exactly the same, actually it matches that. So that's the lip liner 078. Now, so this was mine that I was showing you guys. So second one, guys, is going to be for the giveaway. It's going to be this Kat Von D studded lipstick in Lovecraft. Is it Lovecraft? Yeah. So it's kind of this nice like a everyday nude color, and I don't have one to swatch for you guys, so you can like look it up or something. But this beautiful, it's really beautiful, and I have so many nudes with me, so that's why I thought I will give this in the giveaway. So it's beautiful, like a pinky nude, as you can see, really nice nude. So I thought I will give, and it has this Kat Von D. Look at that, how beautiful that thing looks on there. So really beautiful lipstick. So these are the two that you will be receiving for my next giveaway, guys. So I need more subscribers, guys. I'm struggling to reach 1,000. Please help me. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video and comment something below if you'd like to say something about my weird eyebrows today, because I feel that's why my son was saying like he was saying like it looks like I have a unibrow, but I don't, because I made my eyebrows really thick today. So congratulations to Kathy Brown. I think she's my new subscriber, so hope this makes her happy, and she stays subscribed. So thank you so much, guys. Bye. See you all in my next video. Bye, guys.